guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to get new updates on your YouTube. So if you're new to this channel, do know how to tap on the subscription button and hit the notification bell to always get updated anytime I upload a video. So for you to be able to get new updates on your YouTube, in case your YouTube is not giving you the latest updates or features that you need, all you have to do is to go to your Play Store app, tap in YouTube, and if it is not updated, it's going to show here by this update that is showing me now. So all you have to do is tap on the update. So I'm updating my YouTube now to the latest version. So the next thing you have to do is to open your YouTube, tapping on the open option there. Now tap on your YouTube channel, tap on the settings, tap on try experimental new features. Now my YouTube, so guys, you can see that my YouTube channel now have the new premium updates, so I can easily add them YouTube ad free, download and more. So in case you, after updating yours do not show, after updating your YouTube, the new features are not showing, tap on your settings, tap on your app management, tap on app list, select look for your YouTube here. Okay, tap on storage and cache, clear your cache. Now go back. Now force stop and tap on force stop and reinstall your YouTube. So guys, I hope with this you are going to get a new feature on your YouTube. So if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.